How to resolve eSIM no service issue on iPhone. You are asking how to fix eSIM no service issues on an iPhone running iOS 17. So here is a full step-by-step guide you can try. So first of all, the basic thing to start with is to restart your iPhone. Press and hold power plus volume down button and slide to power off, then wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Then after that, check your coverage as well. Make sure you are in a good network area. After all of this are done, simply tap on the Settings app available on your iPhone's home screen. Now, once inside the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the General option available in there. Then, inside General, tap on the Software Update. Inside Software Update, all you have to do is make sure that you are updated to the latest version of iOS. If you see any downloads or install option available there, simply download it because sometimes small bugs are fixed in minor updates. And again, once you have updated, simply go back to the settings general. And once you are back to it, all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on the reset. Then tap on the reset network settings. Don't worry, it won't delete your photos, apps or data, just Wi-Fi passwords and VPNs. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.